The office of the corporation sole. Let's talk about it. All right, corporation sole. The corporation sole is a very, very unique entity. It is the only entity that I know of that you can register to a corporate state and it does not give up jurisdiction. And what I mean by this is when you register a corporation sole to the state, you're only giving them notice of who the office holder is for a person of contact. It's not giving up jurisdiction or requesting permission to create the office. And it is by statute recognized that a sovereign created it. The corporation sole has been around for many, many, many years. And in fact, the crown, that's right, England, is a corporation sole. And how it is established is so simple it'll blow your mind. So you and one other person, that's all it's needed, is two people, have to have similar spiritual beliefs. And y'all can come together and create a society. And that society, should they choose, can elect to create an office holder called a corporation sole to manage all the affairs and assets of that society. This is a phenomenal way to protect assets, and a lot of people are looking for different ways to protect assets. This is not for someone who owns multiple for-profit businesses. This is more of a spiritual or type of teaching and enlightenment path. The corporation sole has the actual power of a municipal government. So it is a very, very strong and powerful entity that you can use to manage affairs. And here are some of the key highlights of a corporation sole. It isolates and insulates liabilities. There's no limit to fund transfers or regulations on how, when, or who, or what amount. As long as you operate it properly, there are no IRS filing requirements, federal or state. A corporation sole can operate politically. It operates in perpetuity, so there's no estate taxes. It has a mandatory tax exception status under 26 U.S.C. 508 C1A. It's not just a 501c3. No bylaws, board of directors, no meetings or minutes. It offers asset protection and control of money, property, and titles. That is, it's able to receive and protect tax-deductible donations, manage specific charities, integrated auxiliaries, and conventions, and it can create trusts. A corporation sole and a charitable religious trust combined allow for holding titles to houses, cars, boats, motorcycles, RVs, holding and managing all non-business cash reserves, holding stock portfolios, managing properties and investments in a tax-efficient manner. And before you ask, no, you cannot put the straw man's paycheck in there and think that the IRS and people are not going to touch it. You must have the straw man's taxes paid first, then the straw man can donate those funds into the corporation sole, and then it is protected. As of the creation of this document, only 8 states allow for the creation of the corporation sole. However, every state in the United States and every country in the world recognizes its power and authority. For more information on this type of structure, check out my website. It's free on there. You can get this document and audio files that'll explain everything.